Imagine your car earning money while it's parked, generating passive income without you lifting a finger. Top hosts on platforms like Turo average $500 to $1,000 per month per vehicle, with fleets scaling to over $10,000 monthly. Turo is a peer-to-peer car-sharing marketplace where hosts list their personal cars for guests to rent directly, bypassing traditional rental counters. Hosts set their cars' availability and pricing, and Turo handles payments, with hosts receiving a significant revenue share, typically 60 to 90%. With over 3 million users and 350,000 cars listed, Turo connects car owners with guests seeking flexible and affordable options. SUVs often dominate the market, with models like the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade being highly profitable. Luxury and exotic cars, like a Land Rover Range Rover or Chevrolet Corvette, also command high rental rates. Trucks, unique vehicles, and EVs, including the Tesla Cybertruck, are also in high demand, especially in specific locations. High-demand areas include convertibles near beaches, trucks near airports like ATL and DFW, and monthly rentals in cities such as San Francisco. Turo provides comprehensive host protection, including up to $750,000 in third-party liability and $200,000 for property damage per incident. This coverage protects against collision and comprehensive damage during trips, though hosts need a personal insurance baseline. Turo also includes 24/7 roadside assistance, ensuring peace of mind for both hosts and guests. To set competitive prices, use Turo's calculator tool to estimate earnings based on your location and vehicle type. Research competitors and consider dynamic pricing for peak times, such as during airport events, with daily rates ranging from $50 to over $300. Guests book through the Turo app, and hosts approve the requests, with options for instant booking for superhosts. Handoffs can be in-person, contactless using key drop boxes, or through convenient airport delivery or valet services. Maintaining your car in excellent condition is crucial for high ratings and repeat business, with many hosts achieving 5.0 ratings. Regular cleaning between rentals, costing around $20 to $50, and routine services are essential. Always document mileage and car condition with photos before and after each trip. If a car is damaged, report it via the Turo app within 24 hours, and Turo will investigate using photos and guest input. Protection deductibles range from $0 to $3,000 depending on your chosen plan, with an average repair cost of $1,000 to $5,000. The claims process typically resolves within 1 to 30 days, ensuring timely resolution for hosts. Income earned through Turo is taxable, and Turo issues a 1,099K form if you earn over $600 annually. You can deduct various expenses, including mileage at 67 cents per mile for 2024, cleaning costs, and insurance premiums. Track your expenses using app exports and consult a CPA for Schedule C filing. To calculate your net profit, subtract Turo fees, gas, cleaning, maintenance, and depreciation from your gross revenue. For example, a $300 weekly rental can yield a net profit of around $700 per month after all expenses. Many hosts start with one car and gradually expand their fleet, with some managing 2 to 10 vehicles or even 50 plus. Becoming an all-star host grants priority, and diversifying car types and locations can further boost earnings. Success stories abound, with hosts like Emily and SF earning $15,000 monthly with 12 cars. Reddit users report earning $800 per month from a single SUV, showcasing the platform's potential. Turo All-Stars typically maintain 4.9 plus ratings and complete over 100 trips, demonstrating consistent excellence. While profitable, Turo hosting comes with risks, including increased wear and tear, potentially adding 10,000 extra miles per year. Bad guests, though rare with only 3% disputes, and the opportunity cost of not using your car personally are factors to consider. Market saturation in certain cities is also a potential downside, requiring strategic pricing and vehicle selection. To get started, sign up for free at turo.com/host and add your car details with at least 20 high-resolution photos. Verify your ID and insurance, then set your pricing and calendar availability. Choose your preferred protection plan and accept your first booking. Approval typically takes 1 to 2 days, with the first payout 3 days post-trip.